highly modified. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen! Yes! Send the Lancashire over there, sliding, it's coming! Here we go! We must have a special visor on that helmet so it doesn't melt. This is so impressive. Cleanwork coming out in Eric Greenhouse, Boston. I don't know how he gets... This time. He might give up.
You ready, Missy?
Be too high. Here we go!
Favourite one's coming up.
Say it again.
Granda, your favourite one's coming up.
Takes a little while to bring it to a stop and control it, and unfortunately... you don't have to be a rocket science to figure out that doesn't sound good. That may be gearbox. That's unfortunate again. God, these tractors are getting punished. Not good to see, guys, not good to see at all. Another top tractor in the class. Let's do a breakage, some sort of breakage. I hope that's not. Woo! 3.6 ton super sport tractors in Britain. Whiskey halfway down the sledge and making it harder for him. So let's see what he's come back onto the track and managed.
Catch it, man. See you later, boys.
And it's 80.21 will be his full recorded distance. 80.21. As we kick off the Super Sport drop class now with Sledgehammer. The 11 litre Cummins ERF machine here. Drop pull on here. Billy back all by himself. Serious machine. Well, all the same here, single turbo straight bike. Pulling team here. Come on, Stephen, let's go. New to the top pulling scene here, 351 of the yellow Viper. What a sound of the radio. It's a lengthy start-up process. Firing them all up individually, you can hear each one kicking in. Some machine this, here we go, Jim Lightwood, Sneaker 2, Winston. Russian tram slash engine from the Russian plant with a green